We will do question based on the patterns. Yesterday you asked, okay, how we generate different patterns in Python. This question is given in your book, star pattern, hollow star pattern. Hollow star means in a diamond shape. Like the diagram, first you draw the diagram to this diagram. Now, first prepare this box for row in range 5. I have written for row in range 5. So means total number of rows are 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. These are the 5 rows. Then I have written for call in range 5. Means number of columns are also 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now 5 rows and 5 columns I made here. Number of rows are 5 and number of columns are also 5. We start from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Similarly, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, number of rows are 5. Start from 0 index to 4. Similarly, number of columns are also 5 from 0 to 4. Then I want to make star patterns like this. 1, 2, 3. Then this is the pattern of star. Here you look 1, 2, 3. Similarly 1, 2, 3. Clear? Like this. This is the pattern of star, means in a diamond shape. Hollow star in a diamond shape. This is the pattern. Clear? Now, how we make this pattern? So first of all, you have to write 2 for loops. 2 for loops. Now it is visible, I think. Okay. For row in range 5. This is for number of rows. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 rows I have made here. Then for column in range 5. So number of columns are 5. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then here logic is, now you look this logic. If row plus calls equals to 2, I have written here row plus calls equals to 2. Now this I want to print this star, these 3 stars in this manner. Look this. पहले मुझे ये print करने हैं. These 3 stars. Okay? Now just look this. When the value of row is 0 and the value of column is 2, then result is row plus column. Row plus column 2. Look this, when the value of row is 0 and column is 2, result is 2. Similarly for next star, the second star, value of row is 1 and column is also 1. So 1 plus 1, that is 2. Clear? 1 plus 1, that is 2. Similarly for third star, row index is 2 and the column index is 0. Then their addition is 2. So means when the value of row plus column is equals to 2, then it will display stars. Clear? So if row plus col equals to 2. Or means first next one. Up next one ke liye, suppose I want to print this one stars. Idhar side ke. So this time, look, value of calls is 2 minus value of row is equals to 2. Look this, value of call is 2. 2 minus 0. 2 minus 0, that is 2. Similarly, for next one, next star, value of column is 3. Index value of this column is 3 and the index value of row is 1. So 3 minus 2, 3 minus 1, that is 2. Clear? That is 2. Similarly, for next star, value of column is 4, means index value of column is 4 and the index value of row is 2, then 4 minus 2, that is 2. So similarly, I have written here col minus row. Look this, col minus row equals to 2. Means if the value of column is index value of column minus the difference between the columns and row is 2, then it will display star. Then next one, row minus cols. For this, next one, this side. How we write this? Value of this row.
सर जो ये सर जो ये थर्ड और फोर्थ में सर जो ये नीचे को स्टार्स जाने से इसके लिए 4 की भी तो लिख सकते हैं, जैसे कि रो प्लस कॉलम इज इक्वल टू 4, 2 plus 2 4 और 3 plus 1 4.
Yes, you can write, no problem. Means by the help of these type of pattern you can draw this type of stars. ठीक है? Means either you have to write addition or you have to write subtraction. ठीक है? कुछ भी लिखोगे आपका आंसर आएगा. तो for next one, for this one star, so you have to write row minus col equals to 2. Now the value of row, this is 3 and column is 1. 3 minus 1, that is 2. Similarly, last one, 4 minus 2, that is 2. So according to this, it will print this type of stars. And next, this side star you have to print by the logic of this row plus col equals to 6. Means value of row is 3 and column is also 3. So 3 plus 3, that is 6. So in this manner, it will display your answer. So if any one of the condition is true, means here we have written OR operator. OR is a logical operator. If either of the one condition, कोई इनमें से कोई भी एक condition हमारी क्या है, true होती है, then it will display print star and then and space, means and is equals to double quotes open, double quotes close, means this time we don't want to go in next line, हमें अगली लाइन में नहीं जाना है. That's why I have written and equals to space like this. Then if this condition is false, means 0 plus 0, that is 0. ठीक है? तो 0 plus 0 is 0. This condition is not satisfied. First one, second one, third one, fourth one. If all the conditions are not satisfied, then it will go to the else part and print space. So here space will come. Similarly, for next one, then 0 plus 1, 1. Okay? So neither this one condition true, nor this one, nor this one, this one. No one condition is true. Then it come here in the else part and print space. Okay? Then next time, when the value of 0 plus 2 means row plus column, that is 2. According to this, it is true. It's true. So come here and print star. So on the basis of these conditions, it will draw the hollow diamond. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, clear.
So again, we need nested loop concept for I in range. How many rows you want to print? First of all, you have to decide how many rows you want to print. So number of rows. This time I want to print only 4 rows, means A, AB, then ABC, then ABCD. So 4 rows I want to print. So now the range value is 4. You start from 0 index and finish at 3rd index. Then for J in range 65 comma 65 plus I, or yes, 65 plus I, like this. Then take another variable like A equals to CHR. CHR will convert the value of J. Then print A, comma, and then print, understand by yourself. एक बार समझने की कोशिश करो उसे. Is it clear? Correct or not? This is correct or not?
सर ये कौन से वाले का है? वो ABCD वाले का है ना?
Yes, the pattern of this is like this.
सर उसके कौन से पार्ट का है?
A, AB, ABC, ABCD.
ठीक है सर.
This is correct or not?
सर ऊपर करिए.
Just try. This is correct or not? This program is wrong. Why it is wrong? For I in range 4, I have written I in range 4. So first time the value of I is, what is the value of I first time? 0. Look this, for J in range 65 plus 65 plus 0. That means 65, तो 65 से 65 चलेगा? 65 to 65. It will work or not? Tell me, it will work or not? 65 to 65.
No sir.
No. So we have to correct this from here in first line, A1 comma 5. Now this much change you have to do here, 1 comma 5. Then this code will work. Then this code will work. Why? For I in range 1. I in range 1, so first time the value of I is 1. Then for J in range 65, comma 65 plus 1, because the value of I is 1. Because the value of I is 1, so 65 is the value of J. CHR, we have two functions. One is CHR and second one is ORD. Okay? So ORD function is helpful to convert your character to its ordinal value. Like if you provide A, then it will provide its ASCII value. If it is capital A, then 65, or if it is small a, then it will return 97. Whereas second function, this CHR, so CHR function will return character of corresponding this number. 65 is corresponding, it will return character. So it will display here, assign here capital A. Capital A, so capital A will print here and then and space. Then next line, range, इसमें कितनी आएगी? 65 भी आएगी. Then after that it is false. After that it is false because 65 comma 66. Value क्या थी? 65 comma 66. So it will execute only for 65.
65.
Then print without any statement in it. So it means it will leave one line. So move to the next line. So it
Sir,
will come here. Wait. It will come here. After that, outer loop. Outer loop will begin. So next value of I is 2. Then 65 comma 65 plus 2. So 65 plus 2, that is 67. So it will execute for 65 as well as 66. So first it will assign 65 here in A. So it will display capital A, then space. After that, next value is 66 is the value of j. Then 66 will assign in variable a. Then it will display b. Then space. After that, this condition is false. This condition false. Come here, print without any statement. Move to the next line and then come to the outer loop and execute for I equals to 3. Yes, ask your doubt.
इन द थर्ड लाइन जो हमने लिखा है वहां पे कैरेक्टर और आई,
ये
तो सर आई में वो ऊपर वाली वैल्यू आएगी. दिस
Not
इज
I.
जे. ओके सर.
This is j.
सर हमने अलग अलग लिया है इसलिए ताकि मिक्स ना हो.
Python. Previous example I explained row and column. Look this, both are different. Row and column, COL, both
Yes,
are
sir.
different. Na? So similarly in this example, in this program, that is program number 2. All the program last night I made. Look this, here instead of rows I have written I, and instead of call I have written j. Execute this code, you will get the correct answer. Now see this, A B, ABC, ABCD, ABCDE. Why? How it execute? Look this. So first time for I in range 1,6, so value of I is 1. Then for j in range 65, 65 plus 1, that means 66. So it will execute for 65. For 65, so char chr char 65. So it will convert this value into character. 65 to character means capital A. Print capital A and then and space. Then come here and move to the next line. After that, the value of I is 2. I is 2 for j in range 65, 65 plus 2. That means 67. So it will execute for 65 and 66. Yes. दो के लिए execute करेगी 65 and 66. When the value of I is 3, then it will execute for 65, 66 and 67. Like this. So in this manner, it will execute. Clear? Now it is clear?
Yes, sir.
Next program. Okay. Wait. Now look this program. This is another program. It display output is just like this, in a triangular manner. So 1 and 2 means here we mixed two programs. First program and second one. दो program मिलाकर ये इसका output बनेगा. This you know very well how we make this type of star. आपको पता है ये कैसे बनाते हैं, स्टार फिर डबल स्टार देन ट्रिपल स्टार देन 4 स्टार. दिस टाइप ऑफ स्टार यू मेड है, आपको आता भी होगा. देन हाउ वी मेक दिस वन. नेक्स्ट वन, लुक हियर. Look this code. num equals to 5, num equals to 5 for I in range num. So value of num is 5. Value of num is 5. So it start from 0 index. ठीक है, for j in range 0, j in range 0, it will execute or not for 0, because first index of this range is 0, but 0 will store in I, तो I के लिए true हो गया. For j in range 0, because the value of I is 0, so it will execute for 0 or not? Tell me, it will execute for 0 or not? Reply.
No, sir.
No. So again it will move here in the outer loop, and next it pick next value of I. Next value of I is 1. Then for j in range 1, for j in range 1, so if the value of range is 1, that means it will execute for 0. तो j की वैल्यू क्या होगी यहाँ पर? 0 हो गई. ठीक है. Now I is 1 and j is 0. I is 1 and j is 0. Then print star. So it will print 1 star. It will print 1 star. Next time condition false, because the value of I is 1. 1 है तो उसका means क्या हुआ? Only for 0. It will execute only for 0. Then print. Print means come to the next line. Next line, and the value of I is 2. I is 2. So value of I is 2 for j in range 2. So it will execute for 0 and 1, because value of I is 2. I की वैल्यू 2 है, तो it will execute for 0 and 1. So 0 and 1 means it will display 2 stars. It will display 2 stars. Similarly, for next means when the value of I is 3, so it will execute for 3 star. When the value of I is 4, okay, it will execute for 4 star, like this. Clear? After that, this loop is over. Outer loop is over. Why? Because the value of num is 5, so it perform their operation from 0 index to 4 index. So when the value of I reach 4, then it will display 4 stars. Clear? This much clear to you or not? This much is clear? Output from this first line to fourth line is clear or not?
Yes, sir, clear.
Yes,
Yes, sir,
clear.
clear.
Okay, okay. Then second part. Second part means this one line. This one line is for to display reverse start pattern, like this. कैसे होगा? For I in range num, तो value of num is 5. Value of num is 5, comma 0 means this is the start value. Start value. This one is end value, and then this is a step value. So start from 5, comma finished at 0, comma -1. So first value of I is 5. First value of I is 5. Then for I in range 5, so it will execute for 0 to 4. So means 5 star it will display. 0 to 4 means for 0 index, then 1 index, then 2 index, 3 index, and 4th index. So it will display 5 star here. Then come to the outer loop and decrement the value of num. Now new value of I is 4. After 5, the new value of I is 4. 4, then value of I assigned here 4. So start from 0 index, then 0 index, then 1, then 2, and then 3. Similarly for next means when the value of I is 3 होगा, so then 3 star, then 2, then 2 star, then 1, then 1 star, like this. So in this manner it will display your outputs. Now it is okay. Any doubt, please ask.
No, sir.
Clear?